Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So basically how to add it and then how to remove it. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on it, and here let's scroll down in order to find the accounts. As you can see right here, we've got whole Google section, and of course you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using the accounts. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the option to add account. So let's tap. Now let's pick Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and pick who will be using this device. You can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data, it doesn't really matter. So here from this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see right here, we've got our Google account, which we've previously and just actually added. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your Lenovo TAB M11 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.